Hello, my name is Lynne Booth, and I'm the author of Small Wonders, Reflective Poems. The poem that I'm going to read for you now is an acrostic poem, which means that the first letters of each line make up the title of the poem. The poem's title is Birdwatching. Black masks on white faces of chickadees, tiny forest bandits. Iridescent hummingbirds send sparkles of reds, greens, and oranges glimpsed as they zing past. Red-breasted robins peck, peck, peck for an early morning feast of worms. Devil downhead, white and black nuthatches with upside-down acrobatics. Woodpeckers tap, tap, tap out a good place for a new home. Airborne flickers give short glimpses of soft salmon-colored underwings. Tanagers flash red, orange, and yellow through the trees. Caw, caw, caw! The midnight black crows look for conversation. Happily gathered gaggle of rock doves hunt and peck in the brown-speckled gray group. Invading swallows of iridescent blue and green chase chickadees from the old hollow tree. Nesting in a nearby tree, orange and black grosbeaks raise their young. Grays and blues of noisy scrub jays arrive and spread the news. Thank you.